Assalamualaikum friends, here is multi-purpose social media banners. Here is total 8 pack. These files are PSD and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, buy now for lifetime. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number. Here is my Facebook page, follow this, and then next is my Telegram channel, Sheri official. I will provide every link of video first here, so join me on Telegram. Okay, here is beauty related banners, blog, business, fashion, food, medical, real estate, and travel. First, beauty. Now here is social media: Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Facebook, you can add your beauty related photo. For example, open this one. Now you need a 3 photo, one here, 1 2 3. Okay, you can change everything. I know you can do easily. Just try a example. Double click it. Now need a beauty related photo. For example, this one. Okay, resolution is 1000. Drag there. Control S. Okay, now Control S, and second photo is here. Change color, depend your own choice. I know you can do easily. Now and next. Amazing. Same thing here in Instagram format, like a square banner, square size. Here is Pinterest, like a story banner or portrait, vertical. Blog, simple. Add your adventure photo or any photo and enter your description. Now here is a business. Amazing, look like a business card, but these are banner for Facebook. Okay, change everything. Okay, now need a photo. Now we need a pink color. Alright, okay, drag here. Oh, resolution is 1000. Right click, create clipping mask. Now Control S, and you see our photo is here. Select color, address. Now our banner is ready. You can change button color. Okay, this one. Write anything. First you need this font: Open Sans, bold and simple. Subscribe us by app for password. So you can add your own choice or your own demand. I tell you this. For example, main title is here. No, fashion. Here is a 3. Social media, pack, instruct. Oh sorry, Facebook is here. Related fashion photo. Sorry, sale photo. Instagram, and here is a food. Wow. Medical, real estate, and last is travel. Wow. I hope these banners are useful for you. Download this app for password, all password in this app for lifetime. Okay. Take care. Allah Hafiz.